Basic Google Tag Manager setups operate only in the browser, also known as client-side. Here, the browser is responsible for loading every tracking script from every vendor that you use. This means slower page load times and reduced control over what data is shared. Also, client-side tracking can be blocked or limited by browsers and ad blockers, leading to lost data. Server-side tagging introduces a different approach. Instead of loading all tracking codes in the browser and sending requests directly to those vendors, you first send data to your own server. There, it processes the data according to your configurations and forwards it to various destinations, such as Google or Facebook. There are three primary reasons to use server-side tagging. First, site performance. Tracking codes loaded in the browser slow down the page loading speed. Instead of having this, you could just load several of them in the browser, and then the server could send the data to all platforms that you use. Second, data accuracy. You can use custom domains and extend cookie lifetimes, making your tracking more resilient to browser limitations and ad blockers. This means that you can collect more accurate data. Third, data enrichment. Since data passes through your server first, you can add additional information to the events that you track, like profit margins or user data. Sending richer conversions to ad platforms makes them more effective, as it can reduce customer acquisition costs and increase profit. But you need to keep in mind that server-side tagging adds an additional layer to your setup and requires specific technical skills to maintain. It also costs money to host a server, so that might be a problem for some businesses. But if you're running ads or care a lot about data accuracy, then Server-Side Tag Manager is a no-brainer. If you want to learn more about this topic, I will post additional resources below the video.